All right then, we would have recorded sooner, but we are busy battening down the hatches after a massive storm blew through and got us all completely soaked. So we are getting the cars ready for practice tomorrow morning, and meanwhile the technicians are getting the cars ready. Lewis is making sure the canopy's tied down. Some of the drivers are out on the track doing a track walk. And the storm did some damage. The stands up there are missing some seats, as it were. But otherwise, not too bad. Some people did get injured. There was a guy taken out in an ambulance, but I think we weathered the storm okay. Could have been worse, but not terrible. In the meantime, lots to get ready for. It's going to be a big weekend as usual, and pretty excited about this one. COTA's always a fun race to come to, especially because the track just looks really cool. So going out there and doing laps and everything is kind of fun. And also, I just happened to realize this, the new JCW Hot Lap car is next to us. So I don't exactly have the keys to show you the car, but this is our new Hot Lap car. It's a 2025 JCW Countryman. And I think it's in Legend Gray with red roof and all the other goodies. Pretty cool looking car. I think it looks pretty nice. Nice interior. Christian says it goes like heck. He's really impressed with it, and I'm sure it'll be fun to go out in it on Saturday for a hot lap and really get a feel for this new car. But pretty sharp looking vehicle. Meanwhile, Bruno's over here holding down the other corner of the canopy. The canopy nearly took him out, but could have been worse. If you notice, I have a bit of a different look right now. I got black headlight rings at the moment just because I'm testing them out. And I got my new wheels on the car. These are OZ Rally Racing. And given what they're currently being used to do, I think they're appropriate in this situation. They're holding down the corner of the canopy. And doing a pretty good job at it. And then of course we're holding it down with the rest of the cars inside the canopy as well. Tony's over here putting fuel in or taking fuel out?
Put fuel in.
Putting fuel in the cars.
Let's go slow. Stop.
And we're over here putting wheels on the number 63 car. And then our engineers are working on some stuff over here with the 62.
Taylor Tiger took off my damn toes, man. I ain't gonna show them right now.
Literally?
Yeah. So you know it's secret when you.
Okay, so right now they are replacing the injectors on Christian's car. And by they, I mean Ben is replacing the injectors on Christian's car. And it's another hot morning in Austin, Texas. It's qualifying and race 1 today, and we are getting the cars ready as usual. The racing driver in his element. Well, not his element, but somebody's element.
Yeah. This shouldn't be video. What color is this?
Legend gray.
Dark gray. Black.
Where is Sally? Where are you? Where are you? What unit is that?
Okay, after this, I'm having you wax the car, no good.
It's not open yet.
Caught on camera.
Really?
Yes.
Why is that?
Because I don't have time.
Do you have to do hot laps?
Hand up.
Do you have to do hot laps in go-kart mode?
Yeah. That's it. Is that the new sports mode?
Tony and Ethan are working on tire pressures or alignments. You work on tire pressure or alignments?
Alignment. We're looking at alignments.
So they're working on alignments. And if you're curious what that entails, it's
Would you get on the other side inside?
this cool device here with fishing line.
Five and a half.
Back to being next to this corner, aside from the fact you can see all the race cars, is you hear all the noise too.
Not to mention the heat.
Not to mention the heat, because it is hot here today.
Me drive it.
Well, let's spin it first while it's up here.
Right.
Oh, it's 92 degrees?
Yeah,
92.
92. It's toasty.
That's toasty, all right.
Toastier than the Miniac's buns.
What?
Nothing.
All right, all well. We got to finish up some stuff here, and then hopefully head out for the evening and go do some other fun things.